welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Today's simple and delicious recipe is going to be an appetizer. I was at a wedding recently and I noticed how the people gravitate towards the chicken skewers. And I've come up with this beautiful little recipe, Cajun Parmesan chicken skewers. You can use the same recipe on a breast of chicken. I'll show you how to put together these beautiful skewers. Your friends are going to love them. Let's get to it.
Now I found that my skewers were a little bit long for my pan. Not a problem, put a little mark on them where you want to cut them. Get yourself a set of pliers or shears and just give them a little snip. Place them in the pan, make sure they're at the right length, and on we go. And next in our pan, we're going to put about a ½ an inch of peanut oil. Turn it up to about a medium heat. So here's all our 3 ingredients we're going to need. We have our egg mixture, 2 eggs and a couple tablespoons of milk, and then we have a cup of breadcrumbs. Now to that I'm going to add some Cajun seasoning. There's lots of different ones out there, but this is my go-to. It's called Slap Yo Mama. It's delicious. Give it a try. Put in at least a teaspoon and then mix it up well. You can put more in if you like. Now next we want a nice fluffy Parmesan. You'll see when we dip our chicken into the Parmesan how it just melts right into it. To achieve that fluffiness, you want to use a microplane. That's the fluffy texture we're looking for. Now we're using boneless, skinless chicken. We're going to cut those into pieces about 1 inch by 2 inch. Nice bite-sized pieces. Then simply just place them on the end of your skewers. I've got a few in the pan already going. So you put your chicken first into the egg wash. Then roll it around in your breadcrumbs. I like to use a fork to just kind of pack it down in. And then you're just going to place it into your oil. Cook it for about 3 minutes on each side till they're nice and golden brown. When they're fully cooked, take them out and just roll them around in that nice fluffy Parmesan. It just melts right onto the chicken. Don't they look delicious? It's time to plate them up.
Well, that was another simple and delicious recipe. I had an extra breast of chicken, used all the same flavorings, cooked it the same way, make a meal out of it. I've got a little bit of red pepper jelly for dipping. And don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I put one out every Monday. Hit the little red subscribe button and you'll be notified. Now I'm going to try the goods. These look so delicious. Little dip. Oh. Man. You're going to love them. That sweetness in the red pepper jelly with that Cajun spice, a little bit of heat, and the saltiness of the Parmesan. What a perfect match. I know you're going to love them. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.